Viewers, in this video we will see the design of BCD to XS3 code converter using the 4-bit binary adder. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. So the BCD code, we know that BCD is the 4-digit representation. Each digit is represented by 4 digits. XS3, we will see the details about XS3. What is meant by XS3? So XS3 code is nothing but, here the tabular column is available. This is a decimal equivalent, and XS3 code represented by 8421 weightage. So this decimal number is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. XS3 means with 0 we have to add the 3, decimal number 3. So 0 plus 3, 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 2 plus 3, 5. So that each decimal number is added with the 3. So that it will convert it into 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Right. So this is a normal decimal number. In order to get the XS3 code with the normal decimal number, 3 is added. So that we got from 3 to 12. This 3 is represented by the 8421 weightage. Right. So 3 is there. So that the 0, 0, 1, 1 means this 1 is, there is nothing but 2. This one is 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. Similarly 4 is represented by the third digit is 0, 1, 0, 0. So this one is nothing but 4. Then 5 is represented by 0, 1, 0, 1. Right. So this one is 4, this one is 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. Then 6, 0, 1, 1, 0. That means 4 plus 2, 6. Then 7, 0, 1, 1, 1. That is 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. Then 8, first is 1, that is 8. 9, 1, 0, 0, 1, that is 8 plus 1, 9. The 10, 1, 0, 1, 0, that is 8 plus 2, 10. 11, 1, 0, 1, 1, that is 8 plus 2 plus 1, 11. Then 12, 1, 1, 0, 0, that 8 plus 4, 12. Right. So this is the XS3 code. Right. The first is the normal decimal number. By adding 3, it becomes the XS3. Right. So each digit is added with 3. That is represented by 8421 weightage like this. Right. Now we got the XS3 code. Now we'll go to the converter. Right. So now we are able to understand what is meant by XS3. So BCD is nothing but decimal 4 digit representation of the decimal number. 4 digits will be there. XS3 means with the decimal 3 is added, and that is represented by 8421 weightage. Now we need to convert BCD into XS3. How to get XS3? By adding 3 with the BCD number, we can get the XS3. That is what we discussed in the previous tabular column. 0 means 0 plus 3. 1 means 1 plus 3, 4. Right. So the given BCD number, if you add 3, we will get the XS3. So that can be done by this, the 4-bit BCD adder. Right. So this is a 4-bit BCD adder. This is the first number and second number. This is the output. Carry in and carry out. So the first number is the BCD input. So BCD, we need to convert BCD to XS3. So the first number is the BCD. How to convert XS3? With the BCD, we need to add 3. By adding 3, we will get the XS3. Right. So the one input is BCD input. Another input is we gave 0, 0, 1, 1. What is that? 8, 4, 2, 1. 2 plus 1 means 3. Right. We are giving the binary input of 3 here. Right. So the BCD number added with 3, so that we are getting the XS3 as a output. Right. S0, S1, S2, S3 is the output of the BCD adder. That is nothing but the XS3 code. Right. So I will explain again. While converting BCD to XS3, we need to add number 3. Right. So by using this binary adder, one input is given as 3. Input is given as BCD input, another input is given as 3. Right. So the given BCD number added with 3, so that it will convert it into XS3 output. Right. So that is nothing but S0, S1, S2 and S3. So in this video, how to convert BCD to XS3 code converter using the 4-bit binary adder. In this, one input is BCD, another input is 3. So while adding the binary BCD with 3, we got the XS3 output. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.